So far, you've learned how to print messages on the terminal window. Now let's take our program to the next level. We're going to write some code to ask the user of this program for their name, and then we want to show a greeting like hello, followed by their name. So if the username is Fred, we should see hello, Fred. To do that, we'll use another Python function called input. This is a function built into Python, which displays a string message on the screen, waits for the user to type their response and press enter. And finally, it returns the text typed by the user back to your code. Notice the extra space here so that there is a space between our message in the terminal and where the user types. Now, let's see this in action. You can see that now this is waiting for the user to enter a message. So let's type something here. But this isn't too useful if we can't remember it for later, because we'll need it to print our greeting message, including the name that the user typed. To do that, we're going to store the result of the user input in this variable. So here we are creating a new variable. Then we call the input function, which asks the user, "What is your name?" And once the user finishes typing their name and presses enter, the input function then passes the result back to your code, and that value is assigned to this variable. So now we can use the print function and say hello and add a space. And after this string, add a plus sign and our variable. Here we are combining this string with another string. This is called string concatenation. All right, let's run this and see what happens. So we type the name here, and we get this message, "Hello, Fred." And this is how you can use the input function to make your programs more interactive.